Here we go, guys. Fishing at Saguaro Lake on my ReelYak radar. It's my second time so far and like my third time on the kayak. It does pretty well. There's a few things that I want to talk about when I do a review of the kayak. Let's see if we can catch anything. Right now I'm using a chatterbait, a jackhammer. I already caught one earlier. Wasn't recording, but we'll see how it goes. Right now we're fishing off of a point. I got here at 4 a.m. It was super dark, so I couldn't record with the camera. It's my first time recording a fishing video. If you have any tips, let me know. See if we can catch any more. Yeah, I lost one too, so I would have been 2 for the day. Right here at the bank. Oh, got one. Oh, feels okay. He's gonna jump. Don't jump. Stay down. Stay down. Feels okay. Bring over to this side here. There we go. Fish number 2. Solid. Little chunk, maybe like a pound. There. Hookums. Yes, came right out. Solid fish. Let's go ahead and get the release. Maybe like a pound. On the jackhammer. Fish number 2 would have been number 3. It was right up on the bank, right next to the cover. Oh, that's another one back to back. Oh, this one feels better. Maybe. Keep him pinned, keep him pinned. Oh, I just came in. Back to back cast. Just get him in the boat. Okay. Fish number 3 of the day. These jackhammers, man, they work so good. I was out here last week. Got it. Another little small one, but we'll take it. Good, and get the release. That's what I'm using right there. Have a Crush City, I forget what they're called, but it seems to be a very good trailer with the jackhammer. Thinking about using a head mount instead, but just trying out the chest mount, seeing how it works. Let me know if you guys think I should try that. Oh, another one. Skim in, skim in. Come on. Oh, he's fighting hard. He's a little guy though. But a fish is a fish. Fish number 3. Or is that number 4? Don't remember. Yeah, not big enough to weigh or anything, so we'll do that. Oh, I got him hooked good. He's hooked good. Okay, it's out. Just like that. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. Another little small one. To release. Dang, my bait is already all messed up. Look at that. That's how good it works. Get another one. Set my things right here. Don't throw your lures in the water. Reach back to my black pack. Get wide. This right here is what I'm using. The freeloader. Works super good with the jackhammer. Okay, just gotta check, see where the hook's gonna come out through, right through the middle. Oh my gosh, my stomach. Oh man, that was terrible. But it'll do. Didn't come right out the top, but that's fine. Let's get back in there. Is it a fish? Oh, it's a fish. Another one. This is a good spot right here, guys. Oh. Feels again like the other ones, a little small. Small bass. Again, hooked them in the same spot. Oh shit. My peddle dive. No. Stop it. Come on. Stop moving around. Fish number 4. Oh, yeah. Same size. Hopefully we can get a better one. Backpedal a little bit. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to really do this. Come up the middle. That's a little better. Fish. Another one. Towards me. Feels very small. Super small. Oh, it's not even fighting. Oh, there he goes. Oh, now he's fighting. He's fighting pretty hard. Same size though. Another little one. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. My next fish number, I'm already losing track. Fish number 5? Yeah, I think so. Fish number 5. Nothing able to weigh yet. They're all pretty small. All right through the nose. Sorry, guy. Just gonna get the release. Whew. Good day. Good day to be fishing. So I'm originally from Cali. Moved to Arizona maybe like 4 months ago. And before I was just a bank fisherman, renting a boat every now and then. Never really fished off of a kayak, but I always wanted to try. And so far I like it. It's not too bad. Don't have to pay for any gas. So that's nice. Felt like a fish though. Oh, first cast. All right as it fell. That's the big one though. It's a nice one. Nice one here. This one feels good. Stay down. Turn the boat. Stay down. Oh, stay down. Don't come up. Don't come up. This one feels good, guys. Oh yeah, he feels good. Feels good. Here in the summer, you gotta keep them pinned. Yeah, this one's nice. This one's nice. Pull and drag. Maybe like 3-4 pounds. Oh, he's pull and drag. Nice one. Oh, he's pulling hard. Oh, I have my drag pretty hard too. Oh, shit. Oh, it's a big bass. Big bass. Maybe like 4 pounds. First, oh, nice one. It's a nice one. I need a net. I need to get a net. I had one. I don't know where it is. It's a nice bass though. Oh, I got him. Oh, that's a big bass right there, guys. Oh my gosh. Nice bass here. First nice one of the day. He's barely hooked too. Barely came off super easy. Look at that guy. Look at that bass. Oh, pretty big. Nice size. My biggest so far out of here for sure. Yeah, nice size bass. Let's get a weight on this guy. Have my scale in here. Don't want to keep him out of the water for too long. Come on. Okay. Zero this out. Throw it out. Let's see. 3.5 pounds. I mean 3.5 pounds. See that? Nice fish. Nice fish, guys. Thanks for playing. Gentle release. So one thing with this boat is when I got it from, oh, that's another fish. Feels like another good one too. Pulling drag. Oh, different pin. Oh, maybe like a pound. 2 pounds maybe. Oh, 2 pounder maybe. Stop jumping. Oh, he splashed me in the eye. He's close to coming off. Oh, I got him. Like a pound. This point, guys, it's doing work. This video gets 10,000 likes. I'll tell you what point exactly I'm fishing on. Okay, got him. Go to get the release. Chunky fish though. Look at the belly on him. Chunky fish. Still very lively too. What I'm doing is I'm casting really close to the edge right here, like right up on the bank, and they're just there. They might be looking for a crawfish or what in the rocks, but they're all like right here stacked up. It's my first video, guys, and this is how the day is going. That's crazy. They say beginner's luck, right? Oh, that's a nice one. I felt that thump. Oh, he spit it. Damn it. Dang it, I mean. Yeah, maybe halfway through, we'll swap to the head cam, see if that works. Better get multiple views, multiple POVs, and see which one's better in the comments or something. I got this new seat cushion for the kayak. The last time my butt was hurting after just 4 hours. Let's see how it does. Oh, nice. Got one. Skiing in. Not done yet. Little fella. Little, come here. Dang it, came off. Oh well. That's a fish. Little baby fish. Me in the nuts. Look at the leech in his mouth. That's nasty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure it's a leech. That nasty little baby. Another fish. In the boat. Chunked it. Oh, shit. Guys, I don't know how many fish that is so far. They're just stacked up over here. leeches in your mouth? No. No leeches. Another little baby. Yeah, if you guys want to know my setup, I got the Yak Attack double header, the Yak Attack Omega Pro, and then the Yak Attack cup holder. That's pretty much it for my rails. Just got some tethers and stuff. Would show you my black bag, but I just got that and it's not fully set up or anything. Drop shot. Let me lose my worm. On the drop shot, nice little one. Another little one, but better than none. I'd rather catch one than catch none, right? Luckily this one's an easy hook take out. Thanks for the fight, buddy. Alright guys, I'm gonna try out the head mount this time. See which one you like more. I'm getting bit maybe. I am getting bit. Baby bass. Hey, why'd you slap me? Stop it. Little baby bass. Ooh. Feel nice fishing with this for a little while. Point is already a bite, guys. This one feels nice too. Keep him pinned. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. This one's a nice one. Finally, I got another. Oh. This one's weighable. Our second weighable fish. What did I say, guys? Fish. No, don't come off. Come here. We're like 2 pounds. Come here, buddy. Open up. There we go. Barely hooked. Damn it. Okay. Oh yeah, sharp teeth. My drag was way too tight. Tangled, man. Come on. She's heavy. Got it. This one's weighable. No, it's a nice size one. So they're off the scale. Comes. Ah, they sting. Come on. There we go, got it. Out. The clip. Throw it out. Zeroed it out. Let's see. 2.8. 2 8-pound bass. Let's get the release. 2.8. There he goes. On the drop shot. Oh, he got it while I was reeling it up. Ah, came off. On the wacky. Oh, he's bit my freaking worm, dude. Oh, he's a fighter. Like a pound. Oh no. Hooked in the gills, I think. Dang it. Sink it down. Put a few times. Another fish. I feel small. Maybe I was wrong. Yeah, he is small. Bruh. Stop knocking off. At least this one's not gonna die. He got hooked good. Little bass. Nice one though. Got him a double though. Nice little baby. Throw him back in. Another big full belly one. Probably a pound because of that belly, but come on. Chunky one. Let him go. Baby bass. Shakes. Got that? Let me if I can lose my worm again. Come here. Right through the nose. Another little baby bass. Okay. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, he ripped my lure off. This one's another weighable. Another weighable. Probably like 2.5. No! He came on. Come on, baby. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, he's still on. Feels nice. Feels nice. I gotta get him. There's a rock still. No! Dang it!